How did Docker images transform software deployment? Imagine a world where moving your application from your laptop to a server or cloud is as simple as copying a file. That's what Docker images made possible. They changed how we deploy software by creating a way to package everything an application needs into one small, portable unit. This means developers can build an image with the app, its libraries, and settings, and be sure it will run the same way everywhere. No more worries about different operating systems or missing dependencies causing bugs. Before Docker images, deploying software often meant setting up virtual machines or manually installing software on each server. This process was slow, used lots of resources, and often led to errors because each environment could be slightly different. Docker images changed that by sharing the host operating system's core, making containers lightweight and quick to start. This speed helps teams deploy updates faster and handle more traffic without needing huge hardware. Creating a Docker image is straightforward with Docker files. These are scripts that tell Docker exactly how to build the image step by step. This automation makes the process reproducible and reduces mistakes. Once built, images can be stored in repositories like Docker Hub, a central place to share and find images. Developers can also use tools like Docker Compose to manage multiple containers working together, making complex applications easier to handle. In backend development, Docker images help manage APIs, databases, and server-side logic by isolating each component. This means you can run a database in one container and your application in another, and they will work together smoothly. This separation makes testing and debugging simpler because each part is isolated from the others. It also speeds up deployment because you can update one container without affecting the rest. Docker images are especially useful for building scalable systems. They support modern architectures like microservices, where each service runs in its own container. This makes it easy to add more instances of a service when traffic grows, or to update parts of the system without downtime. Container orchestration tools like Kubernetes help manage these containers at scale, automatically handling deployment, load balancing, and recovery. In summary, Docker images changed software deployment by making it faster, more reliable, and easier to manage. They provide a consistent way to package applications and their dependencies, which helps bridge the gap between development and operations. This innovation supports scalable, cloud-native applications and makes back-end development more flexible and efficient.